First things first, you only have 3 chords. The first chord is going to be on the 9th fret, so you're going to count down from the top. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're going to take your index finger and put it at the top, on the top chord. This is the E string. And then you're going to take your middle finger, skip the 2nd string, and put it on the 3rd string, which is the D string. And then put your ring finger on the G string that's right up under. So as you can see, it's going to be just like this. I hope the angle's right. So you're going to boom. So boom, 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 right up under, just like that. I see that? Boom. All right. So this is the position. This is the position that you're going to hold basically the whole time on all 3 chords. You don't have to, be changing your fingers up or nothing. So you're going to change right here. This is the 9th fret, and then the 2nd chord is going to be on the 4th fret. So the 4th fret is going to be starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same position. Boom, 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 just like that. Remember, 1st, 3rd, 4th, if you want to count it like that. 1st, 3rd, 4th, every time. And then the last one is going to be on the 8th fret. So we got 9, 4, and then 8. So same position, same position, same position. So now we're going to pluck it. So this is how it's going to sound. Just like that. So what I did on the plucking pattern, I used these 3 fingers. It's just comfortable for me. So I have my fingers locked in on my 9th fret because this is the 1st chord. Remember, the 1st chord. And then I'm going to go. Oh, I forgot to mention that whenever you're plucking, you're only plucking 3 strings. Because I'm using these 3 fingers, you're only using these 3 because you're only pushing down 1, 2, and 3. So that means you're only plucking 1, 2, and 3. All right? Like that with my fingers. Chuck. That's called a chuck, if you didn't know that. And then pluck it like that. So, but on your left hand, make sure you're plucking, you're pushing down, because sometimes if you're not pressing down hard enough, you'll get like a, you know what I mean? It won't sound right. So you have to press down hard on your hands may cramp, but that's fine. You'll get used to it. But you're gonna, you know what I mean? So after that, the first and second one is the same. So, and then you're gonna move up to the 4th. Let's see how we did that the same. It just sounded different. So we went, then we went, and then the last one you're gonna just, because we went to the 8th, right? Well, we were at the 4, now we're going to the 8. So it's 9, 4, 8. So we're gonna pluck it. We're not gonna do that. So we're gonna just, so this is what it's gonna be like, right? So we're gonna say, the timing, you got to get used to the timing with just repetition, because it was a struggle for me at first. But like I said, especially if you want to sing with it too, you got to just, keep playing it. Just like that. And that's kind of how it ends. Like, that's literally the whole pattern, the whole song. Like, she does not change up at all. That's why I like this song. It's very repetitious, and you can just get it and just you can just really play around with it. You know what I mean? So, but that's it. Rewind the video if you need to. Let me know if you have any questions. Put it in the comments. Outside of that, we out.